Mental health, according to the World Health Organization, is a state of well-being where, number one, every individual realizes their potential. Number two, they can cope with normal stresses of life. Number three, they can work productively and fruitfully. And number four, they are able to make a positive contribution to their community. Just four aspects of what mental health is. There has been a misunderstanding or a mix-up of mental illness and mental health. However, we all have mental health, which keeps shifting from one dimension to another. I would relate mental health to different colors. So for instance, the green zone, where you're working well, you're performing highly, you are engaging well, you're sleeping well, and you are highly fulfilled. But because life doesn't happen in a linear fashion, you're bound to get stressors or situations that can make you drop from that position to another position, which I would call the yellow zone. And in this yellow zone, you have sort of like common but reversible symptoms. You could be a bit moody, you could lose a little bit of your sleep, but still functioning normally with some variations. And at that point of time, if interventions are taken, we can get you back to the green zone. For instance, if you meditate, or if you listen to good music, or if you saw a positive note, you could easily shift back to your green zone. However, when nothing is done about the yellow zone, you now continue to a zone I'll call orange. And in this orange zone, you have the symptoms that you had in your yellow zone now become persistent and severe. And here we see a drop in your sleep, we see anxiety setting in, and many other symptoms coming. And in case nothing is done, you now go to the red zone. The red zone is what I would call a situation where you have a clinical disorder that has been diagnosed by a professional, or mental illness, like you say. So we all have mental health, and we're all on different spectrums. And according to the 4 parameters that I gave you of identifying your potential, working productively and fruitfully, managing stress properly, and also making an impact in the community, most of us have not ticked all those boxes, meaning that we are all a work in progress as far as mental health is concerned.